in Ottapidaram, Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. I am a freedom fighter and a political leader. I was also known as Kodikata Kumaran. I was born on 4th September 1904 in Nairobi. I was Indian revolutionary and freedom fighter who participated in the Indian independence movement. I started Deshabandhu Association by grouping the youth. Thank you. I am Shankar Likhana. I was born on 26th January, which is the day of Republic. I was an Indian Tamil independence activist. I am a Gandhian from India who wanted to change the name of Madras state to Tamil Nadu. I was a Tamil Nadu state-owned activist. I donate my 2 houses for a girls' school. I deposit money to provide food to students. I am Ranmagadu Sakti. I was born on 6th October 1904. I was an Indian politician. I served as the Prime Minister of India from 1964 to 1966. Also, I served as the 6th Home Minister of India from 1961 to 1963. As a Prime Minister, I promoted the white nationalism. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This is my favorite slogan. Hail the soldier, hail the farmer. I am Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I was born on April 14, 1891 in Mhow, Madhya Pradesh. I was played a vital role in drafting the Indian Constitution. I was social reformer, jurist and politician. I launched a newspaper called Muknayaka in 1920. I awarded the prestigious Bharat Ratna Award in 1990. I died on 6th December 1976 at my home in Delhi. I born on 14th November 1889. I dedicated my entire life for the freedom movement. I had impressed several times during protest. I am lately become India's first Prime Minister. Aram Haramai. I was born in Punjab. I was an Indian freedom fighter who fought against the British government for the freedom of India. I was one of the most courageous companions of India. Jai Hind. I am Kavi Bhatia. I was great poet and freedom fighter. I was born in Ettayapuram village in Tamil Nadu. My father was Sinnasamy Iyer and my mother was Lakshmi Amma. I had written many songs and poems about freedom. Thank you. Kirmani Kattipoman. இந்த ஜாக்சன் துரை என்பவரோ இஸ்தி திரை வரி வட்டி வானம் ஒளிகிறது பூமி விளைகிறது உனக்கே நுழைவது இஸ்தி எங்களோடு வயலுக்கு வந்தாயா ஏற்றம் அறிந்தாயா நீ பாய்ச்சி நடுவை நிறைவு கண்டாயா நாட்டு நட்டாயா களை பறிந்தாயா கலனிவால் ஒரு கத்திக்கலையம் சுமந்தாயா அங்கு கொஞ்சம் விளையாடும் முதல் பெண்களுக்கு மஞ்சள் அரைத்து பணிபுரிந்தாயா அல்லது நீ மாமனா மச்சானா ஆணை கெட்டவன் எதற்கு கேட்கிறாய் திரை யாரை கேட்கிறாய் வழி போரடித்திறன் பூமிக்குள்ள கூட்டம் பறங்கி உடலையும் போரடித்த தலைகளை நெற்கதிர்களால் குவித்துவிடும் ஜாக்கிரதை. நன்றி. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I was known as Sardar. I was lawyer by my profession and political leader by choice. Lion Man of India.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhagat Singh. I am a freedom fighter of India. I have fought for the independence of our country. I was born in Banga village in Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh massacre left a grand impact on my life.